Hi everyone. Hope you all are doing great. ඉතින් කොහොමද ඔයාලට? Today I'm going to make mixed fried rice. මේක සමහර විට ඔයාලා හදන විදිහම වෙන්නත් ඇති වෙනස් වෙන්නත් ඇති. Anyway, let's start.
So first I marinated the chicken and seafood. I added turmeric, black pepper, soy sauce and salt for chicken. But for seafood, I added chili powder and skipped pepper and soy sauce. ඉතින් එහෙම මැරිනේට් කරගත්ත චිකන් ටිකයි සීෆුඩ් ටිකයි තව කැෂු ටිකකුත් අරගෙන මම ඔක්කොම ටික මෙහෙම ෆ්‍රයි කරලා ගත්තා.
Now my seafood is on the stove.
This time I didn't use wok to make the fried rice. I just used normal pan, which is easy to clean and save the time. After I added rice to the pan, I'm adding little bit of butter along with leeks because I don't like my leeks to get cooked too much.
Fried rice is ready. ඔයාලා එනවද මාත් එක්කම fried rice කන්න? Rasama rasai. If Uncle Roger watched this video, don't tell me, Hiya!